guys, so today we're gonna make a paper squishy. So for this project you'll need some crayons. I'm using maxi crayons, stuffing, and some tape, clear tape, because if you use another kind of tape except clear tape, sorry guys, it was just a long day. So please subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so you'll never miss out on my videos. Also subscribe. So you'll want to draw yours like this, or you could just copy mine. So here, like this, draw a triangle. Don't make your triangle too liney, guys. Make sure it's curved on the tops of it, like mine, like this. Then you'll want to draw this part, then like this. So you'll need to put some seeds, because I never seen a watermelon without a seed, guys. Have you seen one? Comment down below. So we've made it, the seeds. I'm putting 3 seeds, but you can add more seeds as you like. I just want mine to have a little more little seeds. Mine kind of looks creepy. So guys, if you're doing a better job than me, that's nice. So it doesn't matter. Remember, as I said many times, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just gotta have fun and make your dream come true, even though it's not perfect, because as you know, I also messed up a word that I was telling to you guys a while ago. So the watermelon now has a face. Now. You want to draw a tongue to add a little more fun. Make it a little fun. So you'll need some scissors, but I don't really have any scissors. So I'm gonna, cut it with my fingers. So this may take a long time. See you when it's all cut out. So hey, you see, I just paused the video so I can cut it. As you can see, it's curvy. So I cut out 2 pieces because you'll need one for the cover. So I'm gonna put this on the back, and we're gonna start coloring. So let's take out the crayons. The crayons that you'll only need is gonna be green. You can use green, guys, even though it's light. You need some red, of course, red, and especially black, color black. So guys, if you don't have color black like me, just use your pencil tip to, color it in. So I'm closing it. The stuffing fall out. So you're gonna need some green. Put it there, guys. As you know, a watermelon has white part in the bottom. I'm gonna color it a little higher, even though it's besides the line. So you can color the mouth if you like, because having more colors is much more fun. So I'm gonna call my little paper squishy Mr. Watermelon. See? So make sure not to get it in the eye or else you'll have to start again. There. Make sure not to color in the other lines except the line that doesn't have any line. See? It's coming out well, but it's fine if you don't get it correct. As I always say, nobody's perfect, but try your best. So my mom's getting pregnant to my little sister, and we're already having so much trouble because my mom's very choosy. And now, since we're done coloring the red part, you're gonna want to color in the seeds. So yeah, as you can see, it's coming out well. So then I'm gonna be opening this tape, even though it's really hard. So when I get it open, you'll see me back then. Hey! So now I finally got the tape to open, since the tape is brand new for us. So if you don't have scissors, you can use the tip of your teeth. Okay, now I have the piece of tape that I needed. It's clear tape. Now you're gonna want to take your other piece. I'm just gonna take it, put it on top of the piece that we used. There, I put it back on top. Now if yours crumble like mine, you may get another piece, or you could just unfold it. So here, you can see now I finally got it in. Usually when I do the taping, it all gets crumbled. So it's normal, guys. Even if your tape gets rusty, it's fine. So I'm sorta already putting it together. Make sure to leave a hole so you can put in the stuffing. Yeah. Make sure to put a hole, because if you don't put a hole, I don't know how you'll get the stuffing in. So make sure, guys. So here, I'm gonna put this in the side. There. Now if you still have a little left, put some more tape. Guys, make sure not to rip it or else it will go bad. See, now it's all taped. Now you're gonna wanna take the stuffing that you have. You'll only take a little piece time. So if you can't get it in, use a pencil to get to make it more, to have a better hole. So for the people who are getting confused, as a grown-up, if you're getting confused, if you don't have tape, then you may use any glue, but make sure it's hot glue if you want. So you're gonna wanna put the stuffing in like that. Don't put too much stuffing or else it won't be that squishy. Then you're gonna wanna take some more tape to put like that. Then you put that up there. So as you can see, a tape got into my mouth, guys. So it's normal if the tape gets in your mouth, because it gets in my mouth sometimes too. So there, you're gonna put it there. Now for the moment of truth. Will it be so squishy? Let's try. Guys, it's so squishy. I really love it. It's so nice. I even didn't know stuffing works so well with it. So guys, if you don't have stuffing, that's fine, because you can use tissue. Tissue is actually nice too. One time I tried it, it was nice too. But I like stuffing more. It works more better and more softer. See? There's a big drill here in Doha, Qatar. So please do go spread my YouTube channel around, since I'm new. So see you all next time. Goodbye. And I'm Mr. Watermelon. Just kidding, guys. That was just me talking. So goodbye. Have a nice day, afternoon, evening, whatever time is in your world. Bye.